Last video we built the rules of change. States tell us what is true, operators tell us what changes, and together they generate a state space. And we ended with the real search question. Once that space exists, should the planner search forward from the start state, or backward from the goal? So keep the same warehouse world but scale it up. Robot starts at the dock with red box, blue box, and green box, and each box has a different target shelf. Now ask the forward planner the most natural question. What can robot legally do right now? Right away it has 7 legal first actions. 3 help with delivery, 4 are perfectly legal distractions. That is the problem for this video. Search direction determines whether the planner stays focused on the goal, or gets buried in a growing cloud of legal but irrelevant branches. Forward progression is the obvious baseline. Start at S0, enumerate every legal action, move to successor states, and repeat. At every node, the planner asks, what can robot do right now? The trouble is that legal is the only filter. If an action is applicable, it enters the search. So the tree expands in every direction at once, mixing productive moves with bookkeeping and dead ends. Here is the core issue. Legal and relevant are not the same. Robot can legally charge, inspect a box, or take other domain-approved actions at many points in the search. None of those branches moves a box closer to its target shelf, and forward search only learns that after it has already spent nodes exploring them. That is why even a small number of irrelevant actions can multiply the branching factor and bury the real plan. So flip the question. Instead of asking what robot can do now, ask what action must have happened immediately before the goal became true. This is backward regression. Start from the goal description and reason toward the initial state. Now relevance appears automatically. An action matters only if its add list achieves something the current goal set still needs. Charge does not place a box. Inspect does not satisfy a delivery fact. Those actions vanish from the regression tree because the representation rules them out. Here is the regression step in formal but usable terms. We have a goal set G. We pick an action that achieves at least one fact in G. The new subgoal is, take G, remove the facts the action makes true, and add the preconditions the action requires. So remove at red box storage A, because the chosen action is responsible for making that fact true. Then add at robot storage A, and holding robot red box. Those conditions had to be true one step earlier. That is the new subgoal. Not a guess, but the exact predecessor conditions implied by the action. Now repeat the same logic. To support at robot storage A, regress through a move action that puts robot at storage A. To support holding robot red box, regress through pickup, which makes robot hold the red box. After just a few backward steps, we have nearly reconstructed the initial conditions for the red box subproblem. Charge and inspect still never appear. Regression is not manually curated. The search is structurally goal-directed. Put both search trees side by side in the same warehouse. On the left, forward search fans out through pickups, charges, inspections, and every other legal branch. On the right, backward regression follows only actions that can satisfy the active goal facts. Same domain, same operators, radically different workload. One search spends nodes proving irrelevance, the other avoids most of that work up front. Forward progression and backward regression are both sound search strategies. If a solution exists, either direction can find it. The practical difference is relevance filtering. Forward search expands every applicable action branch, while regression keeps only actions that can support the active goal facts. Regression then replaces a supported goal fact with the predecessor conditions that had to hold one step earlier. That is how the search reconstructs only the subgoals that matter. This gives the next planning question. If several goal-supporting subplans are all valid, which ordering relations are actually required? In the next video, we move from search over states to search over partial plans, and ordering is added only when support or interference forces the commitment.